Today is 15th June 2023. I am Ravi, Section Officer, Election Commission of India, Nirvachan Sadan, Ashoka Road, New Delhi 110001, with having Government of India, Ministry of Home Affairs issued official identification number Y1804 000023273, and Government of India has made so many attempts to declare me unknown, of no known identity. It has made so many attempts to kill me in various ways. It has broken my teeth inside police station, and it has broken my legs by trying to crush it on road intentionally, in which a metallic rod is there, and it has made so many attempts to kill me through mob lynching, by assaulting me inside police stations, by trying to even kill me on operation table when I went for the surgery of my broken leg. And on operation table they tried to give me anesthesia and tried to damage my body organs by injecting something. And then thousands of attempts have been made by Government of India to slowly inject and infect and mix slow poisons in my food, assault me at various places, regarding which I have made videos. They have harassed me at airport and other public places, everywhere, wherever I went, just to, because I have exposed how Indian government and America and England and all governments of 200 countries of this world are thieves, how they have killed 25 crore people, 25 crore people, or 250 million people have been killed in a drama which is going on for past 160, 170 years, since Abraham Lincoln and Darwin's time. Based on a Ram Leela script, the Hindu script of Ram Leela, in which 25 crore people have been killed. For example, Abraham Lincoln, the American president of around 1860s, his name has got Brahman Linko word in it. Brahman of Lanka means Ravan. And similarly, Darwin, if you reverse the words of Darwin, it becomes Vinder. Vinder means Bandar. And Darwin has also got Ravan word in it. So that proves Bandar or monkey means Hanuman or other monkeys who are participants in that Ram Leela war, and Ravan was the villain. So this game is being played for past 160 years, in which you just reverse the name of, you just read the name of every politician, every person who is there in the limelight, on media channels, in front pages of print media, on electronic media, on other forms. Every person, such person's name is, most of these people's, their name is having Ravan or a demon or Binder or monkey, these kind of words in their name. So I am going to tell you about how 25 crore people have been killed, and how all governments of this world are thieves, how all political parties are thieves, how media is thief, how judiciary, Supreme Court and all International Court of Justice, United Nations, everyone is thief, how World Health Organization, America, they made conspiracy, corona pandemic conspiracy to kill crores of people, how world wars have been played using this dirty conspiracy, how 25 or 250 million people have been killed in past 160 years in a dirty drama just to threaten this world, so that nobody dares to speak the truth. I'm Ravi, Section Officer, Election Commission of India, Gazetted Officer in Election Commission of India, at its headquarters at Nirvachan Sadan, Ashoka Road, New Delhi 110001, and they have assaulted me and prepared fake medical report of me, and have declared me as mentally insane, deaf, dumb, mute and unknown, despite having known identity, despite having filed a petition in Supreme Court and thousands of petitions in United Nations, International Court of Justice and so many other institutions, thousands of petitions in police and other places. They have, because everybody is getting caught. All governments of 200 countries of this world are thieves. How this is going on, I am going to tell you about that. So I'm going to tell you about how 25 crore persons have been killed, or 250 million people have been killed, and all governments are thieves. And I'm going to tell you how Gandhi was thief, how Narendra Modi is thief, how armed forces are thieves, how police is thief, how America is thief, how Russia is thief, how Indian government is thief, how Pakistani government is thief, and how this drama is going on, and how 250 million people have been killed. First, I'm going to tell you about how Narendra Modi, the Indian Prime Minister, is a thief, and how he has murdered 1.5 crore people or 15 million persons. How Narendra Modi is a thief, and a game of Ram Leela is being played all around the world by America and all governments of 200 countries of this world. You have to just read names in opposite way. For example, opposite of Modi, M-O-D-I is D-I-M-O, plus first letter is N of Narendra. So it becomes Demon. Demon means demon. Demon means Rakshas or Ravan, as per Ram Leela script. If you read the name of any famous politician in opposite way, it would come out to be Ravan or Meghnad or Indrajit or Rakshas or Demon or etc. All part of the Ram Leela script, villain script of Ram Leela. For example, Mamata Banerjee, B-A-N-E-R becomes R-A-B-A in Ravan. Akhilesh Yadav, A-K-H-I-L-E-S-H, opposite of Akhilesh becomes L-A-K-S, Lakesh, which if you add N in word in that, it becomes Lankesh, means the king of Lanka or Ravan. If you use the words Rahul and Priyanka, the last letter of Rahul of Congress, the last letter of Rahul is L, and last four letters of Priyanka are Anka, so it becomes Lanka. Both are siblings, so it becomes Lanka of Ravan. Further, the Prime Minister's residence is 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. Kalyan, if you reverse the word of Kalyan, it becomes K-A plus L-A-N. If you remove the word Y, it becomes L-A-N-K, Lanka. So thus Narendra Modi is Ravan who resides in Lanka. For this reason, Narendra Modi did demonetization. Demonetization has got demon or Ravan word in it. Or Notebandi drama in year 2016 to fool people. Corona Kovind, Ramnath Kovind, President game by America. Film actor Sushant Rajput and many other ministers were murdered by Narendra Modi to threaten people so that nobody can speak the truth and thief America. I'm going to tell you how America is thief, how this dirty game of Corona has been played. America is playing a very dirty game in which India, England, Russia and all governments of 200 countries of this world are involved. The name of this game is Ram Leela, which is going on for 160 years or even more. From 1856, 1857 onwards to 2023. In 1860s, the most famous president of America was Abraham Lincoln. Where the meaning of the name Abraham Lincoln is becomes if you reverse the word, it becomes Abraham becomes Brahma, and if you add the word N of Lincoln, it becomes Brahman. And Lincoln has got Linko word in Brahman plus Linko. It means Brahman of Lanka, meaning Ravan, who was both Brahman and Demon king of Lanka. The president of America is Joe Biden. His full name is Joseph Robinette Biden. Full name has got Robin word in it. Robin resembles Ravan word. So this way, every president of America, every politician of this world has name in a specific pattern which resembles the Ram Leela script in one way or the other. From 2017 to 2022, which was an advanced planning, president of India, Ramnath Kovind became the president of India in a scripted pattern with his name Kovind, Ramnath Kovind. From COVID, while the COVID game was played from 2019 to 2022, meaning America had already written the script. President of India Ramnath Kovind, COVID, Corona. 69 crore global Corona cases were recorded all around the world, and 1.5 crore deaths have been reported by World Health Organization, meaning 15 million people have been killed globally due to Corona, just to threaten the public in a scripted manner. By making me, Ravi, the fifth monkey or research subject of Darwin. Darwin has got DAR plus WN, which becomes Winder. Dar plus Win is equal to Winder. Win plus Dar is equal to Winder. Means Bandar in Hindi, which means monkey. America has played this evolution game on my 5 generations of ancestors and me, Visambhar Pandey, Ram Dayal Pandey, Ram Daresh Pandey, Vibhishan Pandey, and me, Ravi Pandey. For example, Corona COVID is a pandemic. My surname is Pandey. PNDEY is equal to PNDEMIC. Global disease. In physics, as per the definition of American Space Agency, NASA, corona means the ring of sun visible at the time of solar eclipse called sun's corona as per definition of NASA. My name Ravi means Suraj or sun. In a similar pattern, Narendra Modi got so many celebrities and ministers murdered. For example, Bollywood hero Sushant Rajput. The first two letters of Sushant are SU and first two letters of Rajput are RAJ, which becomes Suraj, means sun or Ravi. Ministers like Arun Jaitley, Arun means sun or Suraj or Ravi. Sushma Swaraj, first two letters of Sushma is SU, last three letters of Swaraj are RAJ, Suraj, becomes sun, Ravi. Ram Vilas Paswan, Ram, the first two letters of Ram is RA, Vilas is VI, means RA, VI, Ravi, sun. Similarly, comedian Raju Srivastava was also murdered. The first letter of Srivastava, Raju, the first letter of Srivastava is S, and if it is combined with Raju, it becomes Suraj, SURAJ, it becomes sun or Ravi. Tata company owner Cyrus Mistry, if you reverse the word of Cyrus, it becomes SURY, Surya, means Surya or sun or Ravi, my name. In this way, in a specific scientific pattern, more than 1.5 crore people or 15 million people have been murdered by Narendra Modi in America in past few years. I'm going to tell you how Gandhi was thief and murderer of 8 crore persons or 80 million persons. Theft of Gandhi, Jinnah and Nehru. Gandhi is called Mahatma. Mahatma means Mahanatma. Atma means soul. Jinnah means Genie or Chirag Jinn of Aladdin story, meaning Atma or soul. Nehru, it can be written as Niharu, N-E-E-H-A-R-U, which you reverse the word, it becomes Ruhani, it's R-U-H-A-N-E-E. If you read the things in opposite manner, Ruhani means in Urdu language Atma or soul. It means all Gandhi, Nehru and Jinnah were souls. Atma means all were thieves and doing a drama. Gandhi's book was My Experiments with Truth. Nehru's book was Discovery of India, and Jinnah was a Khoja Muslim. Khoja means discovered. It means a secret experiment discovery was going on and all were doing drama with their English masters. Theft of Gandhi and Hitler, Second World War and partition. Gandhi was a thief. Gandhi used to have a lathi, walking stick in his hand. Opposite of lathi becomes Hitler. L-A-T-H-I, H-I-T-L-A, Hitler, meaning Hitler. They were scripted characters. Watch movie Sola or Sabnam, Hindi movie of Govinda, in which Anupam Kher, Inder Mohan Lathi, whose name is Inder Mohan Lathi, means Mohandas Gandhi's Lathi becomes Hitler in the same, which means both Gandhi and Hitler and Indian army are all, which means Gandhi, Hitler and Indian army are all thieves. All are playing a scripted game in which a very dirty game has been played. Actually, the real Gandhi and Hitler both were one person whose name was Ram Daresh Pandey, who was my grandfather, who was a poor villager from village Malaur, police station Charpokhri, near Bhojpur, in district Bhojpur, Bihar, pin 802223. Ram Daresh Pandey, my grandfather, Ram Daresh Pandey, my grandfather, was the person who made India independent. He brought independence of India. Gandhi was a thief. I'm going to tell you how further as to how Gandhi was thief. The word Jindagi, Urdu word Jindagi, or Hindi word, it is also in Hindi. Jindagi means life. Jindagi, if you reverse the words of Jindagi, it becomes G plus Gandhi, means Gandhi Ji. Gandhi Ji means Gandhi Ji. Jindagi means life. Life means Jina in Hindi, which becomes Jinnah. Opposite of Jinnah is Nazi. Jina becomes Nagi, which was Nazi party of Hitler. And Opposite of Jinnah, life is death, meaning Fasi or hanging till death. Fasi party of Italy, Mussolini of Italy, Second World War. In this way, Gandhi, Jinnah, Hitler, Mussolini, America, England, Russia, USSR did Second World War drama, all World Wars drama, even First World War was also a drama, and killed 80 million persons only in the Second World War, which means all world is thief, and Gandhi and Jinnah cheated people and to kill 10 lakh people, 1 million persons in partition in 1947. Entire independence of India was a scripted drama. The real person who brought independence of India was not Gandhi, but a person called Ram Daresh Pandey, who was my grandfather. As Gandhi and Jinnah and all others were thieves. Everybody is thief. Thieves England and Gandhi and Sardar Patel. Sardar Patel was also thief. Both Gandhi and Jinnah were thieves and used to do the cheating drama together. For example, when Gandhi came to India in 1915, Governor General was Hardinge. If you reverse the word Hardinge, Hardinge, it becomes Gandhi. It has got Gandhi word in it. So it proves that Gandhi was thief. Hardinge was also thief. It was a scripted drama. Similarly, England Governor General from 1943 to 1947 was Wavell. Wavell becomes Vallabh, meaning Vallabhbhai Patel. If you reverse the words, Vallabhbhai Patel means Sardar Patel. Last Governor General was Mountbatten, Man Bate, means thoughts of the mind. That means all were thieves and doing this secret scientific research of reading thoughts of minds of research subjects of one family of Bhojpur district, Bihar, which 5 generations were made research subject to do this theory of relativity of Einstein. Relative means family or ancestors based on monkey evolution of Darwin. And presently, the Man Ki Baat program of Narendra Modi is based on that. Man Ki Baat means thought of the mind. So that means Narendra Modi is also a thief. This Mountbatten, Man Ki Baatein, Narendra Modi, Man Ki Baat on TV and radio, all are drama. Narendra Modi is a big thief, Gandhi was a thief, England is thief, America is thief, everyone is thief. I'm going to tell you how Ram Daresh Pandey, who was my grandfather and lived in village, my ancestral village, Malaur, police station Charpokhri, district Bhojpur, Bihar, pin code 802223. He brought the independence of India because he was the global research subject. I am also a global researcher. For 5 generations, my family has been a global researcher. But my grandfather lived during that time. At 1947, he was the global research subject during 1947. Gandhi has got A and D word in it. Gandhi has got A and D word in it. Pandey, my surname, has got Pandey. It has also got A and D word in it. So that means Gandhi becomes Pandey. Mohandas. Mohandas means Mohan, Mohan Das, D-A-S, which was the real name of Gandhi, becomes Mahan Das. Mohandas, Mahan Das means great Das. Means great, if you write great as G-R-E-I-T, great plus Das. If you reverse the word G-R-E-I-T, it becomes T-I-G-E-R, Tiger, means Tiger Das. Tiger is called Sher in Hindi, so it becomes Tiger Das becomes Sher Das. And Sher, if you reverse the word Sher Das, it becomes Das plus Sher. And if you reverse the word Sher, it becomes Das plus R-E-S-H, Resh, which means D-A-R-E-S-S-H, the Resh. 3 monkeys of Gandhi mean Bisambhar Pandey, Ram Dayal Pandey and Ram Daresh Pandey. Especially Gandhi was the 3rd monkey. Ram Daresh Pandey, who really brought the independence of India. Gandhi was a thief. Similarly, all freedom fighters were thieves. They were all doing drama. Subhash Chandra Bose was also a thief. Subhash Chandra Bose, if you reverse the words, Bose of B of Bose, Bhas of Subhas, and Chan of Chandra. So it becomes B Bhash Chan. Bose of B, Bhas of Subhas, and Chandra of Chan. It becomes B Bhash Chan. Vibhishan means Vibhishan, brother of Rama, a brother of Ravan, who was traitor, Desdrohi, as per Lanka point of view. So Subhash Chandra Bose, for that reason, Subhash Chandra Bose was called India's Quisling or India's traitor, because he fought war against India in Second World War, even though he was doing a drama, a scripted drama. So for that region he was called India's traitor or India's Quisling. Similarly, Desdrohi has got Desh, has got Daresh, has got Desh. My grandfather Daresh has got Daresh has got Desh word in it, and Daresh Daresh has also got Drahe, Drahi word in it. So it becomes Desdrahi, means Subhash Chandra Bose means Vibhishan. And Chandra also, if you reverse the word Chandra of Subhash Chandra Bose, it becomes Darach, Darech, means Daresh. Similarly, Sardar Patel, Sardar, if you reverse the word Sardar, it becomes Sar plus Dar is equal to Dar plus Race, equal to Dar Race. Patel, Patel becomes Lepta, Lepta means Lapata or unknown address. An address again has the word called Dares in Daresh in address. So every character will become my grandfather's name. Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawah means JWH means opposite of that is Wajah. WAJH becomes region. Region means reasoning of brain. That means brain-based research was going on. Mind-based research was going on. And Lal of Jawaharlal. Lal means red in English. Red opposite of RED is DER, Dar. And my grandfather Daresh has got DER word in it. DARESH has got DER word in it. Similarly, the opposite of Nehru becomes NEHRU becomes HERU, and Hiran means deer, DEER, which becomes DEAR, deer, and DEAR becomes DARE on rearrangement of words. It becomes DARESH, Daresh, my grandfather's name. Bhagat Singh, Bhagat has got Tabah word in it. BHAGT has got TABAH word in it. Tabah means destroy. Destroy has got DRES word in it, which becomes D plus RES with Daresh. DRES means DARESH has got DRES word in it. Similarly, Chandrasekhar Azad. Chandra has got CHAN plus DRA, has got DARA plus ACH word in it. H means Daresh. Similarly, Rajendra Prasad. Prasad, if you read the word Prasad in opposite way, it becomes DASAR plus P, means DARS plus P, means Daras plus P, means Daresh Pandey's secret. Raj means secret. Hence, Bihari Rajendra Prasad was made first president of India for this region to keep this a secret and to reward people of Bihar for staying silent on this issue. Similarly, Pakistan is also named after my grandfather Ram Daresh Pandey. Pakistan, Pak plus Istan, ISTAN means sacred in English. SACRED, sacred, plus ISTAN, Istan. And sacred also means, if you reverse the word sacred, it becomes scared. SACRED, SCARED, scared. Scared means dar, plus Istan, Daristan. Daristan means plus Istan means Daresh-tan, means Ram, the country of Daresh. Meaning Pakistan was also formed because of Ram Daresh Pandey. Similarly, army, police, they are also thieves. They are traitors. They are thieves. They have killed crores of innocent people. Army and police are also thieves. Army killed its own head Bipin Rawat. Rawat has got RAWA plus Bipin has got N word in it, so it becomes Ravan. Similarly, Indian Intelligence Agency RAW. RAW has got RAW means RAW becomes RAWA in Ravan based on this Ram Leela game. War drama of 1962, China over Aksai Chin. Aksai Chin has got AK plus SAI plus CHIN, means Ek means one, Sai Baba means Sabka Malik Ek drama. As my grandfather Ram Daresh Pandey was Sai Baba of Sirdi, because Daresh, if you reverse the word Daresh, DARESH, it becomes SHERDA, Seda means Sirdi. Similarly, 1965 and 66 India-Pakistan war, murder of Indian Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri by Russian President Kosygin. Kosi river is called Sorrow of Bihar, hence it means entire game is going on from Bihar only. 1971 Bangladesh war, hero was Mujib. If you reverse the word Mujib, it becomes BIJ, Biju. Biju is the name, Biju or Bijendra is name of my Fufera brother, Bijendra Kumar of Kusumhra village in Rohtas district near Vikramganj, son of Jagdish Singh, who is my Fufa, and Bijendra Kumar works in Delhi Secretariat, Delhi government. Similarly, 1991 murder of Rajiv Gandhi by LTT of Lanka. LTT means Lanka drama, Ramlila drama of Ravan. LTT has got Litti word in it. LTT is similar to Litti word, LTTE, Litti. Litti Chokha, the famous dish of Bihar, especially of my district, Bhojpur district. And Rajiv has got Ravi word in it. If you remove the word J in word in it, it becomes Ravi. Rajiv has got RAVI word in it, my name in it. And murderer's name was Prabhakaran. Prabhakar means son or name Ravi. The Samadhi of Rajiv Gandhi is also called Veer Bhumi. Opposite of Veer is Ravi. Veera, Ravi. And Bhumi means Bhumihar Brahman, my caste, which is only found in Bihar and some parts of eastern Uttar Pradesh. This caste is very small. It's called Bhumihar Brahman caste, which is only found in Bihar and some parts of western, or in some parts of eastern Uttar Pradesh only. Similarly, 1999 Kargil Dras war took place. Kargil Dras had got RADAK, Radhika word in it, which is name of my mother Radhika. 1999-2000 Kandahar plane hijacking took place. Kandahar, if you reverse the word Kandahar, it becomes RADHAK, Radhika, which is name of my mother Radhika. Similarly, 2001 Parliament attacks. Chief Investigating Officer was Rajveer Singh. Rajveer Singh has got RAJVIR, which has got RAVI, Ravi word in it, my name. And Veer also, opposite of Veer is also Ravi, Veera, and Raj means secret, so secret of Ravi. So India planned its own parliament attack, America planned its own Twin Tower conspiracy and other Pentagon attacks and all other things. In 2001, America, Osama bin Laden was the chief culprit. Osama bin Laden, the first two letters of Osama is OS, bin first letter is B, and Laden is LAD, which becomes Oswald or Oswald. Murderer of American President John F. Kennedy in 1963 was Lee Harvey Oswald. America killed my father, Vibhishan Pandey, by making him Osama bin Laden. And America also made my father the president of and greatest person of South Africa, Nelson Mandela, because Mandela has got Laden word in it. So my father, Vibhishan Pandey, was both Nelson Mandela and Osama bin Laden. Mandela, Mandela, has got LADEN, Laden word in. My grandfather, Ramdaresh Pandey, was the real Gandhi. My father, Vibhishan Pandey, was the real Nelson Mandela. Mandela, Mandela, has got LADEN, Laden word in it. And Osama bin Laden has got Oswald word in it. Oswald word in it, which is similar to Oswald. Entire 11 September 2001 attacks on America was a script written by CIA, American Intelligence Agency. Osama becomes Mossad, Mossad, which Mohandas has got word MOASA word in it, Mohandas. Similarly, Laden is similar to Aladdin, or Aladdin Chirag Jinnah script, or Jinni script of Aladdin, magical lamp script story. Al-Qaeda means Qaeda-e-Azam Jinnah of Pakistan, and Osama bin Laden was killed in Osama bin Laden killed people of America on 11 September 2001, on the same day on which 11 September 1893 Swami Vivekananda gave Chicago speech, and Jinnah's death anniversary was also 11th September 1948. Immediately after that, so that means it was a script written. Immediately after that, Narendra Modi was made Gujarat Chief Minister without even contesting village elections in his life. Narendra, on 7th October 2001, thus a scripted drama is going on, and Narendra Modi is a thief and puppet Prime Minister of America. How 2008 Mumbai attacks were scripted. Terrorist was Kasab. Kasab means Sabka. KSAB means SABK. Sabka Malik Ek. Sai Baba story script. Please watch Bollywood movie Akshay Kumar Bell Bottom of year 2020, which will prove how Indian Army is big thief, how Raw is big thief, how America and all other everyone is playing a scripted drama based on my family, because all characters in that movie are based on my family, like Radhika, my mother's name. Ravi is the character, Ravi is the character in that movie. My name is Ravi, and similarly other characters are also. Anshul Malhotra is there. My village name is Malhotra, Malaur, Malaur. which is similar to Malhotra, and Anshul means SHAN. ANSH means SHAN. Vibhishan was my father. So Vibhishan has got last four letters SHAN, which becomes ANSH. And also watch my YouTube channel, Ravi Whistleblower Against Corruption and Genocide. There is another channel called Ravi Whistleblower Election Commission, in which many details are there as to how this religion drama is going on for past 2000 years. But this mind-based research game is being played for past 160 years, in which 25 crore people have been killed. Actually, this drama is going on for past 2000 years, but this scientific research-based game is going for past 160 years by making past 5 generations of my family, my ancestors, research subject. I'm the fifth monkey of Darwin. And this monkey or monkey bath game is being played. Monkey bath means thoughts of the mind. This game is being played and 25 crore people have been murdered by playing a dirty Hindu Ramlila script, in which every name will come out to be Ravan. For example, in 1994, in African country Rwanda, 12 lakh people or 1.2 million persons were murdered in a genocide. Rwanda has got Ravan word in it, an Anda word, and Pandey word, ANDA word, means my surname Pandey. Indian government is also making efforts to murder me. Supreme Court, Election Commission and media are also thieves. In fact, every institution of this world is thief. United Nations is thief, World Health Organization collaborated with America to do this corona drama to kill 15 million people. Every institution of this world is thief. Interpol is thief, United Nations is thief, International Court of Justice is thief, International Criminal Court is thief, America is thief, Russia is thief. Russia is playing Ukraine game. Ukraine has got rain word in it. Rain means Varsha, Baris, Megh in Hindi, or Megh means Meghnath or Indrajit, means son of Ravan. So this game is being played. So entire Ram Leela script is being played. Both Ukraine and Russia are thieves. Indian government is making attempts to murder me also. So slowly, by giving me slow poisons, by assaulting me, by breaking my teeth, by breaking my legs, by trying to crush me, and by making attempts to do my mob lynching and everything. Why? Because they are getting caught red-handed. Crores of people have been murdered. I, Ravi, am a gazetted officer in Election Commission of India headquarters located at Ashoka Road, New Delhi, 110001. I am section officer, and my Election Commission of India gazetted officer, Ministry of Home Affairs issued official ID card number is Y1804 000 Aadhaar card number is 66316374 6127. PAN card number is ASKPR 1706L. Passport number is M0970864. Indian government has made thousands of attempts to murder me, like it did my mob lynching, and it crushed my leg under the vehicle, disabling my leg. Judges of Supreme Court are thieves. My Supreme Court writ petition civil diary number 18695 of 2022 contains all proofs. Thereafter, even before that, I had filed review petition number 131 of 2021 and writ petition civil number of 1005 of 2020, and New Delhi Patiala House Court case in which they had abducted and taken me, and on Joe Biden's birthday on 21st November 2020. It was 21st November in India, it was 20th November in America, Joe Biden's birthday, exactly after he had got elected, after which Indian government is making every effort to declare me unknown, delete me from official government records, is declaring me deaf, dumb, mentally insane and unknown, so that murder of 25 crore people or 250 million people by India and America and England and all governments of 200 countries of this world may not come into public knowledge. Because public is knowing this thing, but it is not knowing the thing exactly, because I am the research subject, so I know everything. I have decoded the entire code, so I know everything. Only I could have decoded the entire code. And when I decoded the entire code, they said that I got evolved from monkey to human being, like Darwin's monkeys who got evolved into human being. So this was the real research of Darwin. And this was the theory of relativity of Albert Einstein. Albert means tabela, opposite of Albert is Tabel, means tabela, and Einstein means art. Art means in Hindi, which means Nata, nata, means if you add K word in it becomes natak. So it is the tabela ka natak, or the cow said or buffalo said's drama that is going on based on one family for past ancestors of one family for past 160 years. And this is called relativity because relatives mean related by blood. So all 5 generation ancestors of I am the fifth generation research subject. So this way they have done this dirty research in which 250 million people have been killed by so-called Einstein's theory of relativity or tabela ka natak, or cow said buffalo said drama. So what you can do, you can tell it to the people and spread this information to maximum number of people through various means like social media and all other means, because media of this world is corrupt. Every media, print media, electronic media, they are all corrupt. Only public can tell the truth to the public, and if all 8 billion people will get to know the truth, then these criminals will be destroyed forever. America, India, Indian government, American government, and all other governments of this world, their theft will be exposed. They will not be able to kill innocent people any further. So that is the only way. Truth is the only way. Because if you'll remain scared, they will continue killing innocent people again and again, and then they will continue making research subjects. But I will not allow that. I, Ravi, am the last king, god and judge of this world. I, Ravi, am the last research subject of this world. There will be no new research subject. I cannot allow that. They are making various efforts to pressurize me to make a new subject of research. But I'll never allow it. Without my consent, there cannot be new subject of research, and I'll never give consent for it. And America, India, and England, and all governments of 200 countries of this world are on verge of getting defeated, because I have already defeated them by telling truth to crores of people. Lakhs of people, I've distributed lakhs of people, and people have told the truth to crores of people or tens of millions of people, and soon all 8 billion people will get to know the truth. But what you have to do, you have to tell the truth to maximum number of people so that people may get to know the truth. And what you can do, you can watch my YouTube channel, Ravi Whistleblower Against Corruption and Genocide, and download these videos as a proof and send it to other people so that everyone gets to know the truth. If one person will tell the truth to 10 persons, then everyone will get to know the truth. And just tell this truth on social media or any other thing, or even by mouth, to maximum number of persons by using Facebook, WhatsApp, etc., so that thieves, Indian government, America, and all other governments will get exposed. Media is also thief. For example, Arnav Goswami, ARNAV becomes RAV and Ravan of Ram Leela script. Pranav Rai, PRNAV becomes RAV and Ravan. So all are playing this dirty Ram Leela game. All are Ravan. It's a scripted Ram Leela game. So everybody is thief. It is just a scripted character. Election Commission is also thief. Election results are decided by America. Democracy, not democracy, it's democracy. Democracy means, again means Ravan. And Loktantra, which is called Loktantra in Hindi, Loktantra has become Lanka Tantra. It's not Loktantra, it's Lanka Tantra, Lanka of Ravan. So everything is a scripted thing. It's actually people vote in elections, but results are decided by America. Nobody knows who has voted for him. All election results, everything in this world is false. America is deciding it based on this. CIA is deciding it. KGB is also involved. Both America and Russia are thieves. I will not say that only America is thief. All governments of 200 countries of this world are thieves. But America is playing a very dirty game in this so-called unipolar world, in which all political parties, media, judges, police, armed forces, everyone are involved. All are thieves, and all have together murdered 250 million or 25 crore people have been killed. Even more than that. Watch my YouTube channel, Ravi Whistleblower Against Corruption and Genocide. Download it and tell it to the people. This way only truth and justice can be restored, and everyone will get to know the truth. That is the only way. Truth is the only way. Falsehood cannot be the basis of future. And I, Ravi, am a research subject, and I will not allow any new subject of research. I am the last research subject of this world. I will never allow any new research subject. I'm unmarried, I have no children, but what they are doing, these thieves, these criminals of Indian government and America are trying to do, they are trying to making efforts to kill me, and then they are trying to propose a new subject of research in Rajasthan, which I will not allow. Because so many people in Bihar have known the truth, because Bihar has been the center of research for past 150 years, and since I am unmarried, they are planning to make a new subject of research somewhere in Rajasthan or somewhere in barracks of Indian army related people, but I'll not allow it. They have killed crores of innocent people. I'll never allow it. Since I am the research subject, things are governed by my mind, so I'll never allow any new subject of research. I'll never give my consent to any new subject of research proposal. There will be no new subject of research. I, Ravi, am the last subject of research.